Yo, 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 what's up, family? I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And in today's video, I have another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. Thank you so much, Klaiyi Hair, for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this wig, I'll be sure to leave the direct website link to it, including some other links that you just might be interested in. The wig comes neatly packaged. You can also find Klaiyi Hair on social media. I'll be sure to link those in the description box as well. When you order, Klaiyi Hair is kind enough to send you some goodies in the box. Let's see what I got. There's a green Klaiyi edge band, 2 HD wig caps, a changeable edge brush / comb. The wig came neatly packaged in a long clear Ziploc baggie. They also sent some hairline tape. And I also got a Klaiyi Hair silk baggie. These are really good to store your wig in if you don't want to keep the box. Here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. This wig comes with a 7x5 lace parting space. In the nape area, it comes with 1 comb. There's also adjustable straps, and there's also a drawstring in the nape area as well. This comes really in handy for any head circumference size, especially if you have a small head, because it will adjust to your head size. It's really easy. You just pull it and then you adjust it with the tab that's attached. And if it's too tight, then you stretch that tab part out just to loosen it. It also comes with a adjustable elastic band. Around the sides come with silicone so it can have a anti-slip grip. The lace comes pre-cut. The lace is transparent lace, and the hair texture feels like a Yaki texture. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package, and this is a 24-inch bust down. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes on the lace parting space. The hairline comes pre-plucked. They did a great job plucking the hairline. The knots come pre-bleached, which looks really good as well. And the lace comes pre-cut in zigzag motions. I really like how the hairline is nice and flat onto the canvas head, so that means it's definitely going to be flat onto my head. Next, I am using my Babyliss Prima 3000 and I'm just straightening the hair. The temperature setting I have it on is 410 degrees, and the hair takes heat really well. I love how easily it straightens, and I love the fact that I only have to go through once with the flat iron. The middle part looks really good on this wig, but I was like, you know what, let me switch it up and actually do it as a right side part. But right here is what the left parting space will look like, and like I said, they did a great job bleaching the knots. Great job, Klaiyi Hair. But right here I am just doing the right side part, and then I use my Annis hot comb and I press down the hair so it can lay in that direction. Hey there family, I hope you all are doing well. Now it is time to do the wig install on me, but please forgive me for the fact that my voice is not matching up with the audio on screen. I was originally talking in the video, but for some reason that microphone that's clipped to my shirt wasn't really picking me up that well, so now I'm just gonna do this over with a voiceover. So here is the wig styled, and the texture felt great. Like, it felt realistic. It was a nice Yaki texture. It didn't feel dry. It didn't feel brittle. Like, I wish you guys could have touched it. That's why I kept touching it, because I was just like, wow, this hair feels really good. I don't usually do side parts on ready wigs, but with this one I definitely had to try it out. So with this wig, I'm just going to start off with a right side part. Underneath the wig, I applied some Maybelline Fit Me powder, but only to the spots that was going to be showing. So that was the parting space and hairline. As for the adjustable elastic band, I had it tight, but not too tight. So when I put the wig on, I made sure that adjustable elastic band was nice and comfortable in my nape area. Then I threw the rest of the wig back and adjusted the lace hairline before my hairline. Okay, so the right side part was not looking bad to me at all. And I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and adjust it and make it more nice and snug onto my head. So don't forget, this is a drawstring wig. So in the nape area, I pulled the string and then I tightened it with that drawstring with the stopper. And once I got it to where I would like it, the rest of the string that was sticking out, I took it and stuck it underneath the cap. Alright, so in the parting space, I take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me powder and I apply it to that part. And bada boom, bada bang, I was all done. Okay, beautiful. So right here is my end result on my first style. I have about 3 more styles for you guys to see. And the name of this wig on their website is Klaiyi Yaki Straight Put On and Go Glueless Lace Wigs 7x5 Bye Knots. They also have this wig in a 5x5 pre-cut human lace wig as well, if you would like a smaller parting space. And they also have it with kinky edges. And you could do no baby hairs without the drawstring, but this is the 7x5 drawstring 150% density wig. I love the fact that I was able to split the hair in the back. My tracks isn't showing and you can't see my wig cap. I love how the hair texture feels. One thing I love is Yaki hair. I just love how natural it looks. It's not too frizzy. It doesn't have a lot of flyaways. Like, it just behave and lay in the direction it's supposed to lay. The length of the wig I have is 24 inches and my height is 5'6". Another nice thing about this wig, let's say you like this wig, but you like it a little shorter or maybe even an inch or 2 longer. This wig is available from 14 to 26 inches. And the cap size on this wig is all head friendly. I would say from at least a 20-inch head circumference to a 24-inch. That adjustable drawstring in the back, it really comes in handy, especially if you have a small head. Plus they inserted that adjustable elastic band, so it gives it a extra secure snug fit. But if you really want, you could take out that adjustable elastic band because the drawstring in the nape area is already doing the head all the work, and it's like snugging the wig to the circumference of your head. It's really cool. I really like these drawstring wigs. Now I have the wig as a middle part, and to me is just as cute as the right side part. And the best part is it's glueless right now. I don't have any spray, any glue, any hairline tape attached to get it to lay down on my forehead. It is just sitting there and the hair is serving. Okay, so right here I added a few light layers to help frame my face because I'm about to go in and curl the hair. The hair on the wig takes heat really well, and when I was using the curling iron, there was no melting strands or anything. Sometimes with some Yaki wigs, those do that, so I'm glad with this one I wasn't seeing that. And the temperature setting I would say it was on was about at least 410 degrees. Next, I'm using the Frontal Queen melting spray, and I took my finger and applied some of this to the hairline of the lace. Then I used the blow dryer on the warm setting and blow dried it until it was completely dry, but also tapping in the rat tail comb to make sure that it is actually drying onto the spray and it's drying nice and flat. Next, I used my Klaiyi edge band that came as a free gift in the box, and I left that on the wig for about 3 to 5 minutes. After I curled the hair, the curls dropped. It still had a slight wave to it that was really cute to me. The day I recorded this wig, it was really hot outside and I did not have the AC in the window yet. So if you do get this wig and you do decide to curl this hair, then please use a strong hold hairspray, like not medium hold, not light hold, a strong hold. And right here I did a updo. I thought it would be nice in this weather. And it was just a really simple, easy install. Klaiyi hair did most of the work. It was just up to me to touch up the hair on how I would like the style and where I would like the parting space. To me, it's very beginner friendly and it's expert friendly. If you're looking for a nice wig for every day, then I recommend this. It's really nice and good to be on the go. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys. Be safe out there.